in Honda Cadet here at Whilton Mill today. And away they go then. The marshal indicates with the green flag that we're ready to go, and away we do go. Good start, clean start again from the Honda Cadets. They file up towards the top of the hill now in Christmas Corner, and it looks like to me that the 88 of Archie Sugar Harbour, James, has got a good start there.
Yeah, holds the lead out of the first couple of corners. A little squabble behind for third and fourth and fifth place, I should say now. Looking at, can't quite get the move done, it seemingly. All starting to fire themselves through, nearly 3 wide into corner there. No move as of yet, but here comes, that is...
It looks like the number 20 of Tommy Harfield coming through there. So good start from the Cadets again. Coming round then to finish lap 1 side by side through the final corner. Archie Sugar Harbour leads, Oliver Stilp up to second, James Bell third, Devon Nolan fourth, Aston MACANDREW-UREN wrapping out the top 5. There you see the number 81 once again of Mitchell GIBBONS. This will be his final heat of the day. Before the finals, we saw him in heats 1 and 2, so he'll sit out heat 4. Number 80 running a little bit wide there, out on the rumble strip. Vinny Lloyd losing the position to Oscar TEUTEN in the number 77. Drivers coming down the back straight now. Coming out to finish lap 2. Oliver still confirmed as your leader then. Cross start finish, there he is in front of the field in number 50. Archie Sugar Harbour now down to second place. James Bell on the scene for the first time today, up there in third. Not yet. Devon Nolan just on the back of this group as well. So it's a 4 karts group that's formed the front portion of the field now. Who's that off? That's someone towards the back end of the field. Didn't quite make out the number, but so far this is kind of starting to be your typical Honda Cadet race. We mentioned earlier, race 2 was the least Honda Cadet race that I've seen probably in the last 15 months. You had a leader way out front. This 4 kart scrap, really these 4 drivers, they've got to work together now. Just as I say that, the number 21 throws it down the inside of the number 88, because you've got Mitchell GIBBONS there in 5th place charging along, and if you want to win this race, you can't afford to let a driver like that get involved.
So you can't, we saw how clinical he was last race in single source
and setting the fastest sector times so far as well. So really key for these 4 drivers to work together, kind of bump draft almost on the faster parts of the circuit to stop that driver there, number 81, Mitchell GIBBONS, joining them. No, Mitchell GIBBONS in the past, the Honda Cadet this year, had a good chance of getting through. Supported by Wayne as well in the paddock. Really nicely close-knit team there running the number 33 kart. Problem for Tommy Harfield, he's just dropped 4 positions down to 16th, so the number 20 not having the best of laps there, but this quartet here working together now, and at the moment not able to pull away from Mitchell GIBBONS. Let's check the times as they come round to finish this one. 3 minutes 20 on the timer. Yeah, they've lost another 2 to 3 tenths to Mitchell GIBBONS behind them. Drivers checking over the shoulders. They can see the 81 approaching 4.02. The lap time last time around for Gibbons. Yeah, James Bell had a little look there. Devon Nolan doing a good job there, just sitting, waiting calmly in P4. 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go for our Honda Cadets, just before lunchtime. Mitchell Gibbons sets another personal best, Sector 1 and a Sector 2. This is looking good. As to the inside looks Devon Nolan trying to find his way past James Bell. And I think the quartet are starting to break up here. They now know they're under pressure, as there's a mechanical flag for Liam Dorman, currently in 14th place. But this quartet, I think, is sensing now that if they feel they've got a bit more pace, they need to get themselves into the front of the field, because that's the only way that they're going to stop Mitchell Gibbons.
Charge at the moment, Mitchell Gibbons, closed already up to that forward foot. And there's gone wide as the leader there. Gibbons is up the inside as well as into the left-hander, and he's through into 4th place.
Well, I'm not quite sure what happened to Oliver Stilp there. I don't know if he slightly outbraked himself, but yeah, it was lucky to hold on to the lead there with less than 2 minutes to go ahead of Archie Sugar-Harmer. That wasn't good for Devon Nolan. He kind of got caught out by that. It was an innocent bystander, meant that he lost 4th place to Mitchell Gibbons. Round the final corner they go. 1.5 minutes to go. The result from Heat 2. Tell you what, Mitchell Gibbons has won. He needs to probably improve in his track limits, because he was penalised for track limits in the second race. We've seen a couple of times he's wandered over that right line on the exit of last corner. Just needs to be careful here. Less than 1 minute to go. There will be this lap plus 2 more for the Honda Cadets to finish this up. And Mitchell Gibbons goes to the inside, trying to find his way past James Bell. Black flag's been out for the number 46. They will have to come into the pits. 40 seconds to go then. The time will expire on this new lap. It's just been started by Oliver Stilp. There he is. Archie Sugar-Harmer has a check over the shoulder. And Archie Sugar-Harmer goes for the lead almost. Thinks better of it, backs out of it. Mitchell Gibbons is now properly on the scene there in 3rd place on the road.
Couple of laps in store for us here. 4 cars, here goes Gibbons up the inside again, and has got past this time Sugar-Harmer, and he's into 2nd place.
He has indeed. This is really good stuff from Mitchell Gibbons. Time has now expired. The drivers will see the last lap board when they come round the final corner and go down the pit straight. And here we go, 5 karts battling for the lead. This is just what Honda Cadet is all about. There is the final lap board. Can Oliver Stilp, who's led this race from the early stages, hold on and take this victory ahead of Mitchell Gibbons? But Mitchell Gibbons is looking for the run up the hill. He's going to cut to the inside. He's going to take the lead on the last lap of the race. Through goes Mitchell Gibbons. Oliver Stilp down to 2nd place. Now, can Stilp hold on from the rest of the pack?
Absolutely. He may not, well, he's going to become accustomed to the car behind him of Sugar-Harmer. It's Mitchell Gibbons, 12th on the grid. Takes the lead of this one. Brilliant stuff.
Coming onto the back straight then. Here come the Honda Cadets. Are there going to be any changes in this top 5? Yes, there's a move there from Archie Sugar-Harmer. This will give James Bell a chance to get up alongside. And yes, James Bell comes through into 2nd. Mitchell Gibbons will win the race. Great driving from James Bell to take 2nd place. Archie Sugar-Harmer is classified in 3rd. Oliver Stilp is 4th. Devon Nolan 5th. Oscar TEUTEN, another good result for him, in 6th. 7th place for Aston McAndrew-UREN. 8th place for Joshua Patch. 9th for Vinny LLOYD. And 10th